Hi, I'm Mike Yeager, Chief Cheerleader at Mid-America Motor Works. We're here at Corvettes at Carlisle. We have a 69 Corvette here that we cut away, and the interesting thing is we debated whether to do this car as an NCRS fashion or simply cut it away for people to see what their car looks like underneath. So obviously if you look at the car, you'll see that it's not an NCRS. We have a mixture of new parts, old parts, and reproduction parts. And you know, many times guys are working on their car and you're like a surgeon. You have to know what's what. Well, if you actually see it stripped away, it's a lot easier to work on your car. So whether it's on the plenum, whether it's on a gas tank, everything here is visible, and it just makes working on your car so much easier. You know, you certainly would have an assembly manual to see how it's put together, but to see the visual, and you know, these cars may have a propensity to have a leaking heater core, which is a treat to get it replaced. Well, here you can see everything in its raw of how you'd replace a heater core, whether it's in the cockpit or from the actual plenum, the front side. So everything's cut away so you can get down and look at it, and you know, we're not too prissy. Someone needs to look at something, they can do it. So this has been a fun project for us. Customers resonate with it. You know, anyone can make it shiny, but this is what your car looks like when you start on it. So to tear into it, take a look at it, see how it's put together. You know, we've got the NCRS required mud on the tires. You know, we sell a lot of window regulators, and this happens to be a 69, but this is a 73 door. You can see the impact bar, but you can get down to see how it looks like. It's very cut away.
Yep. And how long ago did you say this was done?
Probably 3 years ago. Okay. And it's set in the My Garage Museum in Effingham, Illinois. That's our car collection. It's set there for years, and we just decided that this season we were going to get it out and let people look at it and see how their car really, what it looks like underneath. And I've only been doing this 50 some years, and there's things on this car that are new to me. So anyhow, fun project.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.